The standard USB host interface with Scan to capabilities provides you with greater options to access documents on the go. Scanning to a removable USB makes it easier for mobile users to work between hard copy and electronic files without a PC. There are multiple options that you can choose from when scanning to a USB drive. I'm going to demonstrate a basic Scan to function, selecting PDF as the file format. Insert the USB and select Yes when prompted, or select Removable Memory from the home screen. Select Store File. Select the Functions tab. Scroll with the down arrow to the second screen. Select File Format. Select PDF. Select OK. Place original documents in the document processor and press Start. Select Removable Memory from the home screen to see your scanned document.